Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate 2FA with Google Authenticator on Coinbase step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. Locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on the Security tab to access your security settings. Find the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Click on the Enable button next to Two-Factor Authentication. A prompt will appear, advising you to use an authentication app. Download the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have installed Google Authenticator, open the app. In the app, tap on the plus sign to add a new account. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Return to your Coinbase account and click Continue to display the QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your screen. After scanning, the Google Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the designated field on Coinbase. Click Verify to confirm the code. Once verified, two-factor authentication will be activated for your account. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that 2FA has been successfully enabled. Make sure to store the backup codes provided during this process in a safe location. This completes the activation of two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator on Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.